Me versus I. We usually understand the difference of these two words, but when they're used in one sentence, things can get tricky and errors are made. Take this sentence. When you are in Hawaii, can you send a postcard to Anna and I? Nice try, but that's wrong. If we take Anna out of the sentence, it does sound weird, doesn't it? No one would say, send something to I. I is the pronoun for subjects, and is not used for objects. That's why me is correct here. When you are in Hawaii, can you send a postcard to Anna and me? Next time, make sure whether you are talking about a subject or an object. That's it for today. See you next time.